Crude Unit Troubleshooting. The Crude Distillation Unit, CDU, is often called the heart of the refinery because it sets the pace and efficiency of the entire operation. When a CDU experiences problems such as pressure drops, tray flooding, or product quality issues, it affects every downstream unit. LCTS provides expert troubleshooting to restore stable, efficient operations and maximize throughput. Fixing the heart of the refinery. A poorly performing crude unit leads to reduced capacity, unstable operations, and poor product quality throughout the refinery. At LCTS, we apply a structured troubleshooting approach to address key pain points like excessive pressure drops, internal flooding, and off-spec product streams. Our goal is to identify and fix root causes, not just symptoms, so you can maintain steady, optimized production. Our diagnostic toolkit. Our process begins with thorough technical analysis. We use tower hydraulic modeling to assess capacity and pressure behavior, evaluate trays and packing for mechanical or hydraulic issues, and inspect heat exchanger performance for signs of fouling. We also review PFDs and P&IDs to ensure system configurations align with intended operation. This toolkit enables us to quickly pinpoint performance bottlenecks and recommend effective fixes. Field-backed results, LCTS has helped clients restore crude unit capacity by 10% to 25% through targeted low-cost modifications. From optimizing tower internals to improving heat integration, these changes have led to better product yields, fewer operational disruptions, and more stable refinery performance. Our solutions are grounded in real-world field experience, not just theory. Real-time troubleshooting. We support clients during critical phases such as startups, shutdowns, and turnarounds, TARs, when issues often emerge or escalate. Our team provides on-the-ground or remote troubleshooting to resolve problems in real time, ensuring smoother transitions and faster recovery. When timing matters most, we help you stay on track. If your crude unit isn't performing to expectations, LCTS is ready to help. Contact us for expert analysis, practical recommendations, and hands-on support to get your CDU running efficiently again.